Now, the West has an up-and-coming judo star, and much of her success is down to her coach. Only in Charlie Whitfield's case, the coach is her dad.
Yeah. Gavin Whitfield introduced his daughter to judo 4 years ago, and she's already won gold 2 years running in regional fights. Today, the duo had a family showdown in front of her classmates. Scott Ellis was ringside.
Imagine doing this to your dad. Charlie can, but only because he taught her all his best martial art moves.
She must be really strong because her dad must be really heavy, and I don't know how she flips him over.
Like, I was pretty scared of her already, but now, I'm just not going to go near her. I think it's probably a pretty safe option.
Charlie has lost count of the medals she's won in just 4 years, including 2 consecutive golds at the Western Area School Championships. With Dad for a coach, she never stops learning.
We can always muck about in the house or down the streets, or we can always do something when we're both together.
Besides her dad, Charlie has another hero, Sally Conway, also from South Gloucestershire, who won bronze at Rio.
What level do you want to go to?
The Olympics.
Really?
That's my level.
Do you think that's going to happen?
I think if I keep putting the effort in, I think I will get there.
She's talking, sort of Olympic standard, which is, quite a high standard to sort of pitch at such a young age, but it's also, again, determination and just that drive and wanting to do it. So it's great that she's talking of that, but I'm sort of doing it one step at a time.
Charlie's not just a judo khan, she's also a hard-working schoolgirl who has to make sure she's keeping up with the class despite training and trips away to judo tournaments.
A lot of them don't want to get on the wrong side of Charlie, but just watching her and sort of how determined she is, and also when she doesn't necessarily win every time, she can come back and bounce back from that, and that's such a great trait for children to see and to have in their lives, so really positive influence.
A week Friday, Charlie's in Croatia competing. It's all part of her judo journey, and who knows where it'll end. For sure, Dad will always be by her side. Scott Ellis, BBC Points West.